Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing free app Code Files by Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, tap on Continue in the pop-up. Select Allow and tap on the gray sweater next to Files by Google. Now you can finally click on Clean on the left between those two lines and browse. Tap on Clean next to Junk Files and then hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!